I have never passed a child multiple kids with food, chocolate, fudge. It does not matter what it is on their butts, private parts, anywhere on their body. I have never seen it. Not watching TV anywhere. Like this evil, disgusting, nasty men and women have made and created through their severe advanced technology. No, I have not. They are creating nonstop false videos, just like they have done to me, and they are upholding it like it has happened. It has not ever happened. They create, they put together, they do over multiple, endless false videos through their severe advanced technology that my brain, my body is connected to. Never have I walked out. It does not matter in any door, out of any door. It does not matter in none of your substantial Pacific. And I say this severe extremely because it does not matter. It doesn't. Because no matter where I live pacifically, like you are saying, you made and created heinous false videos of me. So it does not matter. You sitting there making sense, putting it together, all what you don't have to put together, but you're putting it together. You're just a severe, extreme, sick, psychotic liar. You're evil. You're using your false tape to beat and to brutalize me, and it's not why. It's not why. You never tell the truth of why you're beating. You're using your child to beat and brutalize me, and you could care less about your child. It don't have nothing to do with your child. It don't have nothing to do with you make and create. In your disgusting mind, it sounds better for you to say that your child had this food on her body part that I never witnessed. I have never witnessed your child. Yes, I do. I know exactly the child you're speaking of. And then you throw it off and talk your opposites that it has everything to do with the whole nation's sons and daughters, kids, and it does not. It has something to do with your one specific child that you are speaking of at that time. And then you try to make it make sense of you using this one specific child's name as this whole universe's sons and daughters, and it does not. And I don't have to break it down, although I can break it down and prove, like I already am going to prove, how it is really about this one Pacific child. If I walk out this door now and you purposely set your child to walk out the door, no food would be on that child's body. You are a liar. And I'm not even paying attention, looking at your Pacific child. It's just to prove that I have never seen a child with food projected onto their body parts. Never have I thought it. Nor are you recreating it. You're recreating what you're thinking to further enslave, to beat, to brutalize, to try to justify why you stole and beat and sexually raped and passed around my innocent sons and daughters. You're creating it off your own mind. It is not coming from me. You have all this power, all this authority, because you have this severe advanced technology where you made multiple over multiple. I'm not stupid. I would not ask in fighting the dead system because they're already on your side to turn your own technology on your own brain and body. You women are so evil. They are the most evil, demonic, sick, psychotic. Evil is not even a word to describe them. They really was living in hell and caught up from hell. They are evil. I could never think, do, commit the crimes, what they are doing. I could never do that, ever. And I still have not. I can never kidnap a child, beat them, watch them sit and starve to death. Because I hate them, because I want to commit my heinous crime, because I want to gain world power and authority. Because I'm sitting in a place of power and I just can't. You are evil. You are the most vilest. And I'd be glad when your day comes. You think that, oh, I'm just going to drop down in hell and that's just going to be the end of me. No, all you deceived. You're going to have to watch your own child and Pacific child and multiple sons and daughters suffer for what you did. Don't try to flip it on me like I've done something. No, I'm an act of just pure evil, pure hatred. And you know that I am. Your day is coming and my day is coming to prove that I am a victim of pure hatred, pure evil. I have never teased a child with food. You are a severe, extreme liar. Never. No, everybody don't know that. Everybody knows the false tape you made and created and made it look like. You are a liar.